Well, it was an interesting community. It was a community of Lithuanian Jews who were in Cairo, and they were tailors, a lot of them. I think my family was a tailor, and my grandfather went to school in London, because that was what you do, and then he moved to Israel. Actually, they had tried to immigrate from Lithuania to Israel in the mid-19th century, but life was too hard there, so they went to Egypt. I mean, they tried to immigrate to Palestine, but they maintained connections with Palestine, and my grandparents were very involved in the Zionist movement and the Haganah, and we have a lot of stories about my grandparents smuggling weapons. For example, my grandmother was pregnant with my dad, and she was in 1948, and she was involved in the Haganah, and so she had weapons under her shirt along with the fetus, and she pretended to faint when the authorities were going to search her, and she did such a good job of acting that even her husband believed her and was really worried, and so they let her go by. Yeah, we have a lot of great stories about how they survived the war and how she was involved with the child aliyah movement in the 40s, and so yeah, but then they left Israel when my dad was 1, so my dad is really American.